Now we have to see difference between product and services. So product and services, these are product and service. These are different from each other in different way. On different ground we can differentiate these two given terms. First, on the basis of tangibility, you can say products are tangible. Means products are covering, having certain shape and size, it occupy place. But on the other hand, if you are talking about the services, services are intangible. Means services have no shape and size. It is not covering any place. It does not occupy place. Second, perishability. The products are imperishable. Means product, if today it is produced, it can be stored for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But service is perishable. Service cannot be stored for next day or next period of time. So that's why it is said products are imperishable while services are perishable. The third one is that is ownership. Third one is ownership. Ownership. The ownership of product can be transferred from seller to buyer, but the ownership of service cannot be transferred. Services are always with the service provider. Till the service buyer is buying services, he experiences services. As soon as the service provider stops the services are with the service provider. Once again I am repeating, ownership. Ownership of the product can be transferred from seller to buyer, but the ownership of service cannot be transferred from service provider to service buyer. The third difference, that is inseparability. Inseparability. The products are separated from the producers. Once the producer or manufacturer is manufacturing the products are moving from manufacturer through many hands, finally it is reaching to the consumers. But when we are talking about the services are inseparable. Service cannot be separated from service provider. Okay? Services cannot be separated from service provider. Once again I am repeating, the products are separable. Means once the product is produced, it can be transferred from producer to middleman, and through middleman, main middleman, it is reaching to the consumer. So it is easily separated from producer. But when we are talking about the services are inseparable. Services are generated at the time of purchase of services or availing of services. As soon as the service provider stops the services are with the service provider. This is called here inseparability. Next one is, that is homogeneity. Homogeneity. The products are homogeneous while the services are heterogeneous. Any product which is produced by a manufacturer, same type of the products, they are standardized, means in their weight, size, shape, packing. Products are packed in the same way, of same size, same shape, same weight. So these are homogeneous, means all the products are, if these are mixed together with one another, it cannot be easily identified or separated, means which one is first and which one is second. But when we are talking about the services are heterogeneous. Heterogeneous in the sense means different persons are providing same services in different way. Okay, services are same, but the person providing services, they differ in their services. They are making their services different. In the same way, same person will provide services at different point of the time differently. The next point of difference, that is technology. Technology, if we see here, all the products are technology based, while the services are person based. Products are technology based means most of the manufacturers, those who are manufacturing the different types of products, they are using the methods, they are using the machines. So that is technology based. But when we are talking about the services are person based, means the services are provided by person or individual to another person or to the group of persons. So that is called here services are technology person based and the products are technology based. After sales services, here if we are talking about the products are, these are durable, and even in products the after sales services are required. Consumers products means which are used in day-to-day life, there is no need of after sales services, but those products which are durable, the after sales services are essential, because when the products are utilized for a long period of time, sometimes certain mechanical defects are there, some complexities are there, or sometimes the machine or equipment is not working properly, then the services are needed. So products require after sales services. Why? The services are provided only once. In service there is no chance for after sales services. Means today's service is provided today, tomorrow it cannot be provided, tomorrow it will be different. So that's why it is said here, under services there is no need of after sales services. Participation. In production of products, there is no need of participation of buyers. Producer alone produce the products. in his factory with his factors of production, or you can say his man, money, machines and methods. But when we are talking about the services, without presence of service provider and service buyer, service cannot be generated. Service cannot be generated. So it is said here, there is no need of participation in production of product of the customers, but here it is necessary for participation of both service buyer and service provider for production of services, generation of services. So this way, these 8 points are sufficient, and through that you will be able to differentiate the product and services. Now you have to understand here reasons for increasing importance of services. Reasons for increasing importance of services. Reasons for increasing importance of services. First one is economic planning. Planning. Second, increasing urbanization. Third, media. Fourth, rise in per capita income. Fifth, women workforce. Greater expectancy of life. Greater expectancy of life. With the development of the countries, with the economic growth of the countries, and especially the countries which are developed, there the better services are there, the demand of services are there, and those countries which are growing and developing, there even regarding the growth and development, when the growth and development takes place, the value and importance of services increases, because when any speed or pace is provided to the growth and development, then the requirement of services increases. So the concern to that, the different regions are there which are given here. Due to those regions only, the value and importance of services are increasing day by day. Especially in our country, why the services are increasing, value and importance of services are increasing? First one is economic planning. Before economic planning, the services, demand of services are very less. But when after independence, the economic planning started. Due to economic planning, the planned growth and developments were taking place. Government was putting more pressure, or you can say government was making planned development, sustained development of different type of resources, like in the field of power sector, in the field of irrigation sector, in the field of agricultural development. So in all those sectors, when the developments are taking place, due to those developments, the different nature of services were required, and that has increased the value and importance of services. Second reason is there, urbanization. When the economic development of the countries take place, industrialization increases. Due to increased industrialization, the urbanization increases, because people from rural area, they move towards the urban area, and when they move towards the urban area, when they settles in the outskirts of the cities, then the further roads, transportation, communication, and other services are required, and that's why that has increased the importance of services. The third point is given here, that is media. This increase in media, like television, other than television, internet services, the other media services are there. They have also created a reason for sudden spot, or you can say increase in the demand of services, because through these media and other resources, whatever the changes are taking place, whatever the evolutions are there, for that the knowledge and information is spread swiftly by the media, and the need and value of the services increase. The next one is rise in per capita income. This is also another reason for increasing demand of services. When the income of the people increases, the wish or inclination of the people to avail services increases. Like the people, those who are running on foot, they need bicycle. When they have more money, they need motorcycle. Further, after that, car and other services, better houses, better furniture, etc. So for that purpose, the services are needed. When the income of the person, per capita income of the person or people increases, then the demand of services also increases. The next one is women workforce. This is another reason for the increase in services. When nowadays these women they are not living in the houses, they are coming out, and when they are coming out for the work, they are highly educated, and because of that they want to work outside. So this women workforce, their increase has also increased the value and importance of services, because when they are working outside, then the cooking services, the sanitation and housekeeping services, baby caring centers, so all these are required to be developed, and that has increased the importance of services. greater expectancy of life when the people they know that the different types of evolutions and developments are there. Through that, if their income increases and they have knowledge in the expectancy of the life, greater life, or means just to increase the span of their life, they need healthcare services, and that is increasing the requirement of the services. The resource scarcity requires time sharing, pollution control, and other services. All these are the services which is needed by the people. The greater expectancy of life means the people with the growing age, they are becoming more cautious about their health. So regarding their health, hygiene, sanitation, and for all these purpose, the services are required, and that has increased the importance and value of services. This way, this first lesson is complete here, and I hope if all of you will go through the given matters, you will get benefit. Thanks.